What's up, boxers? Today we're diving into the art of the double M bag, a crucial tool to sharpen your timing, accuracy, and rhythm. If you've ever struggled with getting the hang of this bag or want to level up your skills, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics, and by the end of this video, I'll take you through advanced drills used by the pros. Stick with me and level up your game. Alright, for those who are just getting started, the double M bag can feel unpredictable and even frustrating at times, but trust me, it's your best friend for improving your timing and control. Here's the deal. The double M bag is all about rhythm. Step 1. Find your distance. You want to stand about arm's length away to give yourself room to move. Too far away from the bag and you're going to be leaning in to hit it, but too close and it's probably going to hit you. And that's why arm's length is going to be a perfect distance for you. So let's get arm's length away from the bag, and then we're going to start popping out gentle jabs. Just tap the bag gently and let it move naturally. Notice how the bag reacts and bounces back. The key here is not to rush, just jab, and let the bag do its thing. Don't try to chase it or hit it too hard at first. Focus on keeping your jab sharp and your hand relaxed. For beginners, your goal is to establish the rhythm. Let's do this together. Jab, let it come back, jab again. Don't worry about power. Your only focus is to get the feel of the movement and the timing. The rhythm is your foundation. Once you can consistently connect with the bag in a steady rhythm, you'll see your confidence grow. Alright, now let's take it up a notch. Once you've gotten comfortable with single punches, let's add in a cross. Jab, then cross. Jab, cross. You want to let the bag come naturally before throwing the cross. This trains you to time punches rather than blindly hitting. Watch my footwork. Every time I throw the cross, I turn my foot. Imagine you're putting out a cigarette or squashing a bug. Once you've mastered that, the first intermediate drill is to throw a jab cross with no gap. 1, 2, reset. 1, 2, reset. Just like that. Now the biggest mistake here is constantly standing flat-footed. You have to be able to twist your foot when you throw your cross. This is great for improving your coordination between your hands and feet. Now we're stepping into advanced territory. This is where things get fun. Once you're comfortable with basic combos, let's add in head movement and defensive skills. Watch this. I'm using the back return to stimulate an opponent's counterpunch. After I jab, I slip and I come back with a hook. This is reactive training, learning how to defend after your offense. Here's your drill. Jab, as the bag comes back, slip to the side, then counter with a hook. Repeat this for a minute. The key is to time the slip perfectly with the bag's movement. You're not just hitting, you're defending, then countering. This is what makes the double M bag an advanced tool for both offense and defense. Another advanced drill is working with fast combinations. Let's go. Jab, cross, hook, slip, jab, cross. Keep your hands relaxed and focus on staying fluid. The goal isn't power, it's speed and flow. This bag will teach you to keep your hands moving even when you're tired. The moment you stop, will bounce unpredictably. Don't let it control you, control it. If you followed along this far, you've got the basics and some advanced moves to start working on. Double M bag can be your best training partner. It never gets tired and it forces you to stay sharp. So remember, start with rhythm, add combinations, and then challenge yourself with defensive moves. Practice regularly, and I guarantee you'll see an improvement in your accuracy, timing, and even your confidence in the ring. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow boxers, and subscribe to see more tutorials here at Regal Boxing Gym in Forest Gate, London. Let's keep pushing forward together.